I just want to show you my failed macarons and just don't laugh. And here it is. Some already start cracking. You see, like these doesn't like none of them looks like macarons to me. And all of them they don't have the feet. See, they don't have the feet. This one too. And I also messed up the chocolate too, like inside, and it just looked like a cookie. So these are all cracking. These are already cracking here. And this is so sticky for some reason. So I put the how I made it the recipe on this side right here. I feel like there's a lot of steps that gone wrong. So I used the matcha powder, but then end up it is a little bit looks like burned something. So first thing I feel like the oven temperature is not right. And I don't know if I should use 3 eggs whites instead of 4. So that's why I make it a little bit too wet. You know the bottom part of the shell is actually very sticky for some reason. So maybe it is a little bit too much egg whites, I believe. So the top part here is like so coarse, like a lot of holes. I used the strainers, but for some reason when I try to pipping the shell, I feel like there's still a lot of little pieces. It's like a very lightly blended smoothie. In here it is very sticky. Even the whole thing is very sticky. I think maybe I need to adjust the almond flour and the icing sugar a little bit. This one is completely broken. Also, I messed up the chocolate as well. Before I made the heavy cream a little bit more than the chocolate, so it doesn't really develop to solidify the chocolate. And I thought maybe I put it in the freezer so that would be better, and then I put it in the freezer and I forgot. So I couldn't use that. They are cracking. It's a total fail. But I have never baked anything before, let alone macarons. So yeah.